Dear viewers, today we are going to see the one another experiment of simulation study on wind energy system in as per Anna University Renewable Energy Lab experiment number 5. This experiment we are subdivided into different category. First, that is wind turbine, which may going to connected to the PMSG, permanent magnet synchronous generator, and this permanent magnet synchronous generator normally having a variable speed generator. If the wind speed is varied, the output signal, that is output voltage, is the variable frequency. So whenever the input wind speed is changes, simultaneously output voltage frequency changes. So we are not able to directly connected to the AC load or grid. So for that purpose, we are convert that output AC voltage into this DC. Again regulate this DC voltage. Again this DC which may converted into AC. Again this AC is filtered out by the L filter. Again it may going to integrated into the grid. This is the procedure. So here we are going to see the two categories. One is that is the wind turbine along with the permanent magnet generator with DC. The DC side the load is connected. Again it may going to connect through the AC. Due to time limitation and space availability, I have drawn the circuit in the two separate files. Now we are going to see the these two files, right? Okay. So this is that the wind turbine. This is the wind turbine which is available here. This wind turbine is already available in the MATLAB renewable in the MATLAB SimSCAP tab in renewable energy wind tabs. Okay, so this is which is the normal nominal mechanical output, that is 1.5 to the power e. If it is need, we will change that the data. Again that is that the pitch angle now we are going to fix 0. Assume that is the wind speed which is that 12. Suppose if it is needed, we will going to reduce that wind speed. During that running time we will change and then see what is that the voltage which is available. The how to drag and drop the components, how to drag and drop the components from Simulink library to this file. Already we are seeing our the YouTube channel, that is the YouTube channel. That YouTube channel contains all the files in the how we are going to drag the library to main file. Okay, so we are going to see that file in the same channels. So this is the universal bridge. This universal three-phase system, that is I am selecting the 3-arm bridge, snowball resistance. I am also going to select the diodes for rectification purpose. So there is no measurement, I have not selected. Again I am going to click OK. This is the PMSG, that is the permanent magnet machine. If the machine, if we are going to give that is the negative, the machine will be act as a generator, right? So this is available in the, suppose if you are going to click the help, so which is available in the help, they are clearly which is going to give. If you are giving that the negative torque, if you are giving the negative torque, then the machine will be act as a generator mode. Please see. So we are going to work based on this mode of operation, right? So for that purpose, we are giving the negative, that is a negative. During that time, the per unit value will also giving the negative. You will see on here. So this is the output. This output we are going to integrate, that is bus selector, the stator current, electromagnetic torque, and the rotor speed will also going to be integrated. So this is the one of the basic, very basic system. Now we are going to see how it can be run, what is the output voltage, right? So now I am going to run the system. So it may be a run, that is the output voltage. Now suppose I am going to change this 5 meters per second. So that is, what is that, the voltage which is available. So this is the voltage which is available for that purpose. So the entire thing, it will be the changed as per that is the permanent magnet synchronous generator. Now if the grid integrator or grid connected system with the PMSG, we are going to see now, right? So this is the system which is available here, the rectifier. After rectifier, I am also going to, for smoothness of the waveform, I am going to put one that is LC combination of that filter. Again, this DC which is connected to that the universal, that is inverter, MOSFET based inverter. Again, that is the output of the inverter will be connected to the one LC filter. So one LC filter. Again, this LC filter which is integrated into the grid. So we are necessary to the integration of the grid. We need the synchronization. So synchronization already I am explained in PV integrated system, in the same the PV integrated system video which is available in the same channel. Please, you may going to see that video for a clear explanation. So this is the PLL. So this is the PLL which may going to track the grid frequency. So I am going to take this frequency value. I am going to generate the sine wave. So this is the sine wave. The sine wave mathematical formula is sine 2 pi ft. So that is this is 2 pi and u4 is a f. Here that is u4 we are obtained here, that is the frequency and u4. So next one is that the magnitude. Next one is the phase angle del value. So this is the PWM pulse width modulation circuit. I am also going to fix very small, that is 500 Hz PWM, that is carrier frequency. I am giving the universal bridge, and that is a reverse blocking diode. I have connected in positive and negative two sides from the two bridge for the negative power flow, right? Now we are going to see the simulation output of this that is wind PMSG, wind driven PMSG with the grid connected system. So now I am going to run the system, right? Okay, so that is it may be running in discrete system manner. So now I want to see that the voltage, so that is the system voltage will be going on. It is very important, that is, if you are seeing whenever change the signal value, it may be going to change. So what is that, the output will also going to change. So here please see the waveforms. I am also going to change this modulating signal. Again, it may be reflected. So that is the current will be that is this may be changed. The output voltage will also further changed. Again, it may be going to improve. So if it is further increases and it may be going to see in the different. So that is the control algorithm which is directly implemented here. That is the frequency is maintained at the 50 Hertz, and also that is here maintained, that is the negative torque which is available here. That is the negative torque which is available here, that is minus 0.24 something for per unit conversion. Again, this value, suppose I am going to change the wind speed. So this is the, I'm also wind speed is changes. So further, if I am changes, again we are generating voltage will also again change. Again I am going to reduce the wind speed. So this is will also going to be changed. So this is the procedure for the PMSG driven. This is the operation. The whenever the wind speed, this operation will be realized here. So that is the PMSG driven grid connector wind power generation system, right? Okay.